Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 14 factorization. Exercise 14.1. Question number 1. Find the common factors of the given terms. Okay. So we shall write each terms as a product of irreducible factors. After this we find the common factors of each. Okay, so let's see how to find common factors of given terms. Here this is the first part of question 1. We find it the common factors of 12x and 36x. Okay, so first we shall write each terms is product of irreducible factors. So we first write here 12x is equal to express it irreducible factors, so it becomes 2 into 2 into 3 12 into x. Clear? Now 36 is equal to, we can write it 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so you can see here 2 into 2 is the common fact, 2 into 2 into 3 is a common factors. Okay, in both terms, so we can write here common factor is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Clear? 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. Okay, so this is the first terms. First write it product of irreducible factors. So for the product of 12x in irreducible factors is 2 into 2 into 3 into x, and prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. So here you can see in both terms 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3 are common. So this is the common factors of 12x and 36 is equal to 12. Clear? Now we are going to solve second part. Second part is 2y comma 22xy. Okay, this is second part, 2y comma 22xy. Clear? Here first we write 2y and reduce it 2 into y. You can write it in reducible factor, product of reducible factor, 22y xy is equal to, you can write 2 into 11 into x into y. So here you notice that 2y are common in both terms. Clear? 2y are common in both terms, so common factor is equal to common factors is equal to 2 into y. Okay, so this is equal to 2y. Clear? This is a part 2, 2y comma 22xy. First we write each terms as a product of reducible factors. So 2y is equal to this product of reducible factor is 2 into y, 20y 20 2xy. So product of its reducible factor is 2 into 11 into x into y. Okay, so you notice that in both terms 2y are common. Okay, 2y are common, here 2 and here y. We notice that in both terms 2y are common, so our common factors is equal to 2 into y is equal to 2y. Clear? Now third part. And third part is here. This is given 14 PQ comma 28 P square Q square. Clear? So we shall write each terms as a product of irreducible factors. So 14 px pq is equal to product of irreducible factor is 2 into 7 into p into q. Clear? And 28 p square q square is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. 2 to the 4, 4 7 the 28. This is a prime factorization of 28. Okay, and p square is p into p into q square is q into q. Clear? So here you can see in both terms 2 into 7 into p into q are common. 2 into 7 into p into q. 2 into 7 into p into q are common. Okay, so common factor are common factors of 14 pq and 28 p square q square is equal to 2 into 7 into p into q. Clear? So p into q means pq. 2 into 7 is 14 into pq. Okay, this is clear. First we write each terms as a product of irreducible factors. So here first terms is 14 pq. So first we write 14 pq as a factors of product of irreducible factor. So 2x 2 into x into 7 into p into q, and 28 p square q square is you can write in the product of irreducible factors 2 into 2 into 7 into p square is p into p. Okay, into q square is q into q. Okay, so here we notice that 2 into 7 into p into q are common in both terms. So this is it's become common factors. So common factor is 2 into 7 into p into q. This is equal to 14 pq. Clear? I hope all of you understood. Now we are going to solve fourth part of this question 1. Okay, fourth part is 2x comma 3x square comma 4. Okay, so we write each terms as a product of irreducible factors. So first we take 2x, we can write it 2 into x. Okay, this is a product of irreducible factors. You can also write 1. Clear? And 3x square is equal to 3 into x into x. Clear? and 4 is equal to next term is 4. Also you can write here 1. Okay. So prime factorization of 4 is 2 into 2. We can also write 1. Okay. So here you can see in each terms only 1 is common. So okay, only 1 is common. Okay. If in each terms no common, so we multiply in each terms by 1, because multiply by 1 is no effect the terms. So common factor is equal to common factor is equal to only 1. Okay. Here 3 terms are given. So you write it in the product of irreducible factors. So 2x is equal to 2 into 3, 2 into x into 1. And 3x square you can write it 3 into x into x into 1. And 4 is you can write 2 into 2 into 1. So okay, in this way we find the common factor of 2x, 3x square, 4 is 1. So now let's see question number 5th. Question number 5th is 6 ABC, comma 24 AB square, comma 12 A square B. Okay. So first we write 6 ABC and write this product of irreducible factors. So it's become 2 into 3, 6 into A into B into C. Clear? Now 24 A square B. So first you write 24 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into A. B square is into B into B, because this is a 2 times B square. Clear? Now we write 12 A square B. 12 A square B is equal to, we write 12 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. A square is A square A into A and into B. Okay. So you can see here what is common. 2 into 3 into A into B is common. Okay. Yes, 2 into 3 into A into B is common. Okay, 2 into 3 into A into B is common. Okay. So here you can see 2 into 3 into A into B is common in each terms. Okay. So common factors is equal to 2 into 3 into A into B. Clear? Okay. So it's become 2 3 ja 6 AB. A into B is 6 AB. Clear? So you can see we find the common factors are 6 ABC, 24 AB square, 12 A square B. Clear? So first we write the product 6 ABC and write it the product of irreducible factors. So 6 ABC we write 2 into 3 into A into B into C, and now 24 A B square we write it in the product of irreducible factors. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into A into B into B. Okay, and after this we write 12A square B, and we write it in irreducible factors, product of irreducible factors. So 12 2 into 2 into 3 into A into A into B. Okay, and all of these terms you can see 3A 2 into 3 into A into B are common. Okay, so this is a common factor of given terms. Clear? Now sixth part of question number 1 is given here. Sixth part is 16 x cube comma minus 4x square comma 32 x. Okay, so we write it each terms the product of irreducible factor. So 16x x cube is equal to, you can write it 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x into x. Clear? And minus 4x square is equal to, you can write it, first write minus 1 into 2 into 2 x square is x into x. Clear? And after this 32x means you can write it in the form product of irreducible factors. So 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x. Okay, so you can see in each terms have 2 into 2 into x. Okay, here 2 into 2 into x, 2 into 2 into x, and 2 into 2 into x. So this is a common factors. Clear? So common factors of these terms is factors is equal to 2 into 2 into x, 2 into 2 into x. This is equal to 4x. 2 into 2 4 into x, 4x. Clear? This is a common factors. Now we are going to solve question part 7 of question number 1. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. First we write the product of irreducible factors of 16x cube. You can see here, after this minus 4x square, after this here 32x, and you notice that in each terms we have 2 into 2 into x. So this is our common factors. Clear? Okay, I hope all of you understood. This is 7 part. 10 PQ comma 20 QR comma 30 RP. Clear? So first we write here 10 PQ and write it product of irreducible factors. So 2 into 5 into P into Q. Okay, now 20 QR. So 20 Next term is 20 QR. Okay. So we write it product of irreducible factor. So 20 you can write 2 into 2 into 5. After this you can't reduce it. Okay. You can see it as a prime factorization into Q into R. Clear? And next term is 30 RP. Clear? So we write it the product of irreducible factors. So 30 you can write 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 is 6, 5 is 30 into R into P. So what is the common factor of these terms? So 2 and 5. Okay, only 2. You notice here only 2 and 5 are common in each terms. Clear? You can see here 2 and 5 are common in each terms and no other terms are common. So in this way you can say the common factor is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Common factor is equal to 2 into 5. 2 and 5 are the common factors. Okay, clear? So we write it 10. Okay, now next, I hope all of you understood it. Okay, and the next part, 8th part and last part, this is of this question. So clear? So this is a 3 x square y power 3 comma 10 x cube y square comma 6 x square y square z. Okay, so we shall write each terms as a product of irreducible factors. So first we write first terms 3 x square y square. Okay, so we write it the product of irreducible factors. So it's become 3 into x square is x into x into y square is y into y. Clear? Now 10 x cube y square, it's become 2 into 5 into x into x into x into y. Clear? Last terms, third term is here, this is 6 x square y square into z is equal to, we write it the product of irreducible factors. So it's become 2 into 3 into x square is x into x into y square is y into y into z. So what you see in each terms? So we see the common is x and y. Okay, you can see common in each term is x and y, x into y, x into y and x into y. Okay, other than it no common factors. Okay, so common factor of 3x square y square 10x cube y square and 6x square y square z is x into y. So common factors is equal to x into y is equal to xy. Clear? Now in this way we completed this question number 1. Okay, I hope all of you understood it. Now we are going to solve question number 2. This is a question number 2. Factorize the following expression: 7x minus 42, 6p minus 12q, 7a square plus 14a. Okay, so we factorize it one by one. Let's see. You write 7x minus 42, and you can write it in factor of irreducible form. So 7 into x minus 2 into 3, 42, you can write it in irreducible form, 2 into 3 into 7. Here we notice that 7 is common in both terms. Okay, so observe the by distribution law. In distributive law, we take common. We take look here. What is distributive law? A into b plus c minus c is equal to a into b plus minus a into c. Clear? So you write in reverse order. Okay, a into b minus a into c. Here 7 into x into this is 6 into 7. Okay, so you can write it 7 into x into 2 3. It's become 7 into x minus 6. Clear? This is a factor of 7x minus 42. Also you can write it 7 into x minus 6. Here 7 and 7 between and x is hide the symbol of multiplication. Okay, now second part is 6p minus 12q. Okay, we can write it in the product of irreducible form. So 2 into 3, this is 6 into p, 6p minus 2 into 3 into q. Here you notice that what is common? 2 into 3. 2 into 3 in both terms is common. Okay, so we take out it or common it, use distributive law. Here you can see. Okay, so you can write it 6 into p minus 6 into 2 into q. Okay, so take common 6 and use bracket. 6 into, here we have only p because 6 is common, minus here we have 2 into q because 6 is common, 2 into q. Okay, so is equal to 6, you can write it into p p minus 2q. Clear? Now third question, third part. This is a third part of question second. So we break in first part 7a square is in the product of irreducible form factors a into a, okay, my plus 14. Second terms is 14, so we can write it in product of irreducible factors 2 into 7 into a. Okay, so what is common in both terms? 7a here you can see and 7a here. Okay, so we take common it and we find, you can write it 7 into a into, in bracket we obtain only a here and here 2 plus 2, so we obtain here a plus 2. Clear? So you can write it as 7a into a plus 2. This is a factorization of 7a square plus 14a. Clear? I hope all of you understood. Thank you for watching.